Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to convert your PDF file to Excel file format without the need for any online applications. So basically we need to have Excel on our computer, which should be a given. So all you need to do is just open up the Excel program. So I'm going to open up a fresh workbook here. It's going to go into Excel and we're going to just wait for it to open up. And then once this is open here, I'm going to actually just drag it off to the side a bit, make it a little bit bigger. And you can see I have book 1, which is a PDF file format right now. So if I actually open it up, Microsoft Edge is my default PDF reader for some reason. I haven't changed it over to Adobe Acrobat reader. So you can see my PDF file is open here. So we want to bring this over to Excel. So I'm going to close out of here. So you want to start by opening up Microsoft Word. So I'm going to just go over to the File tab here. I'm going to just click on Close. I want to get out of the document I'm currently in. And I just want to go back to the main Word page. So basically we just want to go back over here. And I'm just going to drag and drop my PDF file over here into this window. So again, just want to drag and drop. It says Word will convert your PDF to an editable Word format. This might take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like your original PDF, especially if the original file contains a lot of graphics. So left click on OK. It will convert it, so just be patient. You see now that we have it in our Word document here. So all you have to do, I'm just going to left click on the top little bar, the top little square over the Excel area. I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to left click on copy. Now if we open up Excel, so I'm just going to type in Excel here and I'm just going to give it a minute to open up. I'm going to open up a blank workbook. If you have an existing workbook, you're welcome to open up as well. Basically now we're just pasting it in. So I'm just going to click inside of a blank area here. I'm going to right click and then I'm going to left click on keep source formatting. And there you go, guys. You might just have to adjust some of your column sizes a little bit, but generally speaking, this is how you get your stuff from PDF file format to Excel. So pretty straightforward, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.